Let's learn how to repost someone's Instagram story. So, if you really like a story and you want to share it with your followers or friends, here's how to do it. First, open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account. Then, after, go to any story that you want to share. Once there, tap on this share button in the bottom right corner of your screen. A menu will appear where you can share it with your friends. If the profile is private, you can only share with the people who follow them. To share it on your own story, there are two possibilities. First, if someone mentions you in their story, go to your DMs and open the chat with them. When you view their story, you can edit it if you want, and you'll see a button to share it to your story. But if they don't mention you, there is another way. Open a story and tap on the share icon over here. Then tap on Add to Story option in the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, you can add text, stickers, music, or tag someone and then add it to your story by tapping on this button over here. Then tap on Share, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.